Many people use the word spirituality and religion as if they mean the same thing, but they are not. They are different paths, and understanding the difference can help you discover what truly connects you to a deeper sense of purpose and peace. Religion is usually organized. It involves specific beliefs, rituals, traditions, and rules. Religions often have holy books, sacred places, and leaders like priests or monks. People gather in temples, churches, mosques, or synagogues to worship. Religion often gives a community a shared identity, a moral code, and a structure to live by. Spirituality, on the other hand, is more personal and individual. It's about seeking meaning in life, feeling connected to something greater than yourself and exploring your inner self. It doesn't always follow fixed rules or belong to a specific group. Spirituality can include meditation, mindfulness, or just moments of silence and reflection. It focuses more on personal growth, peace, and understanding the self. Religion can be spiritual and spirituality can be religious, but not always. A person can follow a religion but not feel spiritually connected. Another person may not follow any religion but feel deeply spiritual. One key difference is authority. Religion often depends on external authority, texts, traditions, and leaders. Spirituality depends more on inner experience. What feels right, what brings peace, what gives a sense of purpose. Religion often gives answers. Spirituality often asks questions. Religion may say, "This is the truth." Spirituality may ask, "What is true for me?" Religion connects people through shared beliefs and practices. Spirituality connects people through shared experiences of the soul and the universe. Neither is better than the other. Both have value. Some people find comfort and strength in religion. Others find freedom and inner peace in spirituality. Many people find both in their lives. The goal of both paths is often the same: to feel more connected, more at peace, and to live a more meaningful life. Understanding the difference between spirituality and religion is not about choosing one and rejecting the other. It's about knowing where you stand, what you need, and what helps you grow.